Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a minimalist cream white kitchen that seamlessly blends modern elements with the timeless elegance of rounded arched doorways. Color scheme: creamy canvas. The foundation of the kitchen is a creamy white palette. This light and airy color extends across the walls, cabinets, and backsplash, creating a sense of spaciousness and reflecting light beautifully. The neutral tone provides a clean canvas for pops of modern design and personal touches. Modern touches: sleek lines. The cabinetry features clean lines and a flat panel design, emphasizing a minimalist aesthetic. Opt for handleless push-to-open mechanisms for an even more streamlined look. Integrated appliances: high-end. Stainless steel appliances are seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry, minimizing visual clutter and creating a cohesive flow. This reinforces the modern theme and elevates the overall look. Rounded elegance: a unique touch comes from the rounded arched doorways. This architectural detail adds a touch of softness and classic elegance that contrasts beautifully with the clean lines of the modern elements. Consider painting the arches in the same creamy white as the walls for a seamless look, or opt for a subtle accent color to add a touch of personality. Functionality at heart: hidden storage. Ample storage is cleverly concealed behind the creamy white cabinets. This maintains the clean lines and avoids visual clutter. Consider built-in pantries, pull-out drawers, and hidden compartments for maximizing storage space. Minimalist hardware: if hardware is present, opt for sleek, minimalist pulls or knobs in a brushed nickel or chrome finish to complement the stainless steel appliances. Textural harmony: warm touches. While the color palette is neutral, incorporate textural elements for added visual interest. Opt for countertops in a light natural stone like quartz or light granite with subtle veining. Consider wooden butcher block accents on a portion of the countertop or breakfast bar for a touch of warmth. Minimalist backsplash: keep the backsplash simple and clean. Opt for a continuation of the creamy white palette with subway tiles or large format tiles with minimal grout lines. This reflects light and maintains the spacious feel. Modern lighting: recessed illumination. Recessed lighting installed strategically throughout the ceiling provides overall illumination without cluttering the space. Pendant power: consider hanging minimalist pendant lights over the sink or breakfast bar, if incorporated, for additional task lighting and a touch of modern flair. Opt for sleek metal finishes or clear glass globes for a visually light effect. Overall impression: this minimalist kitchen in creamy white with a modern interior and rounded arched doorways creates a stunning and sophisticated space. The clean lines, light color palette, and high-end appliances exude a contemporary feel. The unique touch of the rounded arches adds a layer of elegance and softens the modern aesthetic. This kitchen is both beautiful and highly functional, perfect for those who appreciate a clean and organized cooking environment. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a minimalist cream white kitchen with modern furniture and rounded arched doorways. Aesthetics: timeless elegance. The creamy white color palette creates a sense of spaciousness and light, making even small kitchens feel larger and brighter. It's a classic choice that never goes out of style. Modern appeal: the clean lines of modern furniture and the sleekness of stainless steel appliances exude a contemporary feel that's always in vogue. Unique touch: the rounded arched doorways add a touch of architectural interest and softness to the straight lines of the modern elements. This unexpected detail creates a visually appealing contrast and adds a sense of character. Functionality: clean lines, easy cleaning. Minimalist design with clean lines means less surface area for dust and grime to accumulate. This makes cleaning and maintaining your kitchen a breeze. Ample, hidden storage. The use of modern cabinetry with ample storage space ensures everything has a designated place, keeping clutter at bay and promoting a clean and organized environment. Light and airy atmosphere: the combination of creamy white and strategically placed lighting creates a bright and airy feel, making the kitchen feel more spacious and inviting. Lifestyle benefits: promotes calmness. The clean lines and Neutral colors create a calming and serene atmosphere. Perfect for starting your day or unwinding after a long one. Reduces stress. Minimalism can help reduce visual clutter, promoting a sense of peace and well-being in your cooking space. Focus on functionality. The design prioritizes functionality, ensuring everything has a designated place and is readily accessible. This allows for a smooth and efficient cooking experience. Additional considerations: lighting design. A well-planned lighting scheme is crucial in a minimalist kitchen. Consider layering recessed lighting with pendant lights for task lighting and creating a modern ambience. Quality over quantity. Investing in high-quality, well-made cabinets and appliances will ensure they last longer and enhance the modern aesthetic. Personal touches. While minimalism emphasizes clean lines, don't be afraid to incorporate personal touches that reflect your style. This could be through unique artwork, colorful accents on open shelving, or a statement pendant light. A minimalist cream white kitchen with modern furniture and rounded arched doorways offers the perfect blend of timeless elegance and modern functionality. It creates a calming and spacious environment for cooking and promotes a sense of organization and efficiency. This design is ideal for those who appreciate a clean aesthetic and a comfortable cooking space. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream minimalist kitchen in creamy white with a modern twist and the elegance of rounded arched doorways. 1. Assess your space and needs. Measure up. Grab a tape measure and sketch out a detailed layout of your kitchen. Include the dimensions of walls, windows, doorways, existing plumbing locations, and electrical outlets. This will help you plan furniture placement and ensure everything fits efficiently. Identify must-haves. Make a list of the essential appliances and features you need in your kitchen. Consider your cooking habits and how much storage you require. Prioritize functionality and ensure there's adequate space for prep areas, cooking zones, and a designated sink area. 2. Planning the canvas. Creamy delight. Choose a creamy white paint shade for the walls and ceiling. Opt for flat paint finishes as they minimize imperfections and create a smooth, contemporary aesthetic. Consider a slightly warmer white if you have stainless steel appliances to prevent a sterile look. Arched elegance. Now for the unique touch. Here are some options regarding the rounded arched doorways. Existing arched doorways. If you have existing arched doorways, celebrate them. Ensure they are properly aligned and consider painting them in the same creamy white as the walls for a seamless flow. Creating arches. If your doorways are rectangular, explore options for creating rounded arches. Depending on your budget and DIY skills, you can consider framing techniques with drywall or prefabricated arch kits. 3. Modern cabinetry design. Clean lines, high function. Opt for modern cabinetry with clean lines and a flat panel design. Consider handleless push-to-open mechanisms for a truly streamlined look. Drawers with full extension glides and soft close features optimize storage and functionality. Storage solutions. Maximize storage with built-in pantries, pull-out drawers, and hidden compartments within the creamy white cabinets. Consider dedicated sections for pots and pans, cutlery trays, and spice racks to ensure everything has a designated place. 4. Appliances and countertops. Modern sleekness. Choose high-end, stainless steel appliances for a sleek and modern look. Consider integrated appliances that seamlessly blend into the cabinetry. Light and textured countertops. Opt for light-colored countertops like quartz or light granite with subtle veining to complement the creamy white cabinets. Consider incorporating a butcher block section on a breakfast bar for warmth and a touch of contrast. 5. Lighting plan for ambience. Recessed efficiency. Install recessed lighting strategically throughout the ceiling to provide overall illumination without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Task lighting. Consider hanging minimalist pendant lights over the sink or breakfast bar, if included, for additional task lighting and a touch of modern flair. Opt for sleek metal finishes or clear glass globes to maintain an airy feel. 6. Minimalist backsplash and hardware. Simple backsplash. Maintain the clean lines with a minimalist backsplash. Choose from creamy white subway tiles or large format tiles with minimal grout lines to reflect light and maintain the spacious feel. Minimalist hardware. If using hardware, opt for sleek, minimalist pulls or knobs in a brushed nickel or chrome finish to complement the stainless steel appliances. Bonus tips: inspiration boards. Create a mood board on Pinterest or gather magazine clippings to visualize your dream kitchen. Focus on minimalist kitchens with creamy white palettes, modern furniture, and rounded arched doorways for inspiration. Start small, don't try to overhaul everything at once. Begin with painting the walls and updating the hardware, gradually add new cabinetry, countertops, and appliances as budget allows. Consult a professional. Optional: consider consulting a kitchen designer, especially if your space is complex or challenging. They can provide valuable advice on layout optimization, storage solutions, and seamlessly incorporating the rounded archway element. Remember, this is your kitchen, a space where you'll create meals and memories. Enjoy the process of designing a minimalist haven that reflects your style and prioritizes functionality. Don't be afraid to add subtle personal touches through artwork, colorful accents on open shelves, or a statement pendant light to make it your own. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.